Hello and welcome again. It's your girl Danielle. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. Well, today we are going to be learning how to make yummy fruit yogurt. Exactly, yummy fruit yogurt. And I'll be doing two recipes: mango yogurt and berries yogurt. Berry yogurt. I'll say berry yogurt, right? Berry yogurt. I'll be making two versions of the fruit yogurt, mango and berries. Anyways, let's not waste much time and dive straight into the video. Feel free to use any quantity of berries or yogurt, but for this recipe I'll be using 300 gram of berries and 150 gram of Greek yogurt. You can use any Greek yogurt of your choice, but for me I normally use 1.5% fat. So I'm just going to pour this straight into my blender. And as well pour the yogurt. Then I'll blend on the highest level. Now my yogurt is actually ready, as you can see, so I'm going to pour it straight into the jar. So there's nothing beats more than what you make yourself, and especially when you have kids, it's much better giving them this than the store-bought ones. Of course, you can always get the store-bought ones, the store-bought yogurt rather, once in a while, but if you can make this often, I bet you they will love it and always ask for more. So I'm just going to fill it. This can stay up to maximum a week in the fridge, so be sure to do in little batches. And for this recipe I'll be using 250 gram of sweet mangoes, and about 120 gram of Greek yogurt. That's basically the last one though. Least I forget, you can use any Greek yogurt of your choice, but for me I normally use 1.5% fat. And I'm going to do the same thing like I did in the first part. Now blend. So while doing this, in case you would like to add sugar or honey, you can do that now before blending. But for me, the mango is already sweet, so there is no need of adding any sweet now. So, and I'll just blend it. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. And I'm going to put this right away in my jar. Let me adjust this for a moment. Just 1 minute, please. And I'm going to pour it straight up in my jar. As you can see, my yogurt are ready. I have the mango flavor and the berries flavor. With the tag on my jar, it says made with love, always fresh. So I'm going to put this in the fridge and wait up for my son to wake up, and I'll feed him with this made with love. If you get value for this content, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you do not miss any of my videos. I'll be posting videos every week. And share to your family and friends. Hey, come on, it's free. Share to your family and friends. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video.